We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users say about the Magnetic Fidget Pen toys for adults and teens by Fidget. If you have this item, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The product link is in the description using it supports the channel. The Magnetic Fidget Pen is marketed as more than just a writing instrument. It is a multifunctional gadget designed to serve as both a practical pen and an engaging fidget toy. Its appeal lies in the combination of utility and play, making it suitable for a wide audience that includes students, engineers, teachers, office workers, and anyone who appreciates unique desk gadgets or needs a stress relief tool. The pen's standout feature is its magnetic construction. Users consistently praise the way the pen can be twisted, rotated, and transformed into various shapes. The magnets are strong and reliable, allowing for creative deformations such as swords, robots, or abstract designs. This endless creative play is a core reason many buyers recommend the pen as a gift for teenagers and adults alike. The tactile experience of manipulating the pen's magnetic parts is described as satisfying and therapeutic, helping to relieve stress and anxiety during work or study breaks. The build quality is another highlight. Made from premium metal, the pen feels substantial and cool to the touch. Reviewers note that it is sturdy and well constructed with a modern, sleek design that makes it suitable for gifting. The packaging is also mentioned as being attractive and gift-ready, which adds to its appeal for occasions such as birthdays, Christmas, Valentine's Day, and other holidays. Many users report that the pen is a hit as a stocking stuffer, especially among teenage boys, but it is also well received by adults who enjoy gadgets or need something to keep their hands busy. The pen's dual functionality extends to its use as a stylus. Some versions come with 2 stylus tips, making it compatible with touchscreens. This adds a layer of practicality as users can switch between writing on paper and navigating digital devices. The pen writes smoothly, and the ability to quickly reassemble it for writing or deconstruct it for fidgeting is seen as a major advantage. In terms of performance, the pen delivers on its promises. It functions well as a standard pen, and the magnetic pieces are easy to manipulate without coming apart unintentionally. The magnets are strong enough to hold their shape during play, yet easy enough to separate for quick assembly and disassembly. This balance is crucial for a fidget toy, as it ensures both durability and ease of use. The pen's size and weight are also noted in reviews. Measuring just over 7 inches in length and weighing 10.5 ounces, it is portable enough to carry in a bag or keep on a desk without being cumbersome. The recommended age is 3 years and up, but the product is especially popular among teens and adults. The versatility of the pen is one of its most appreciated qualities. It serves as a stress relief tool, a creative outlet, and a conversation starter. Users mention that it helps with focus during meetings or classes, providing a discreet way to channel nervous energy. The pen's ability to transform into different shapes encourages imaginative play, making it suitable for anyone who enjoys building or tinkering. When it comes to gifting, the Magnetic Fidget Pen is frequently described as a unique and thoughtful present. It stands out from typical pens or fidget toys due to its combination of form and function. Recipients of all ages, from young children to grandparents, have expressed delight upon receiving the pen. It is especially popular as a gift for teenage boys who appreciate its novelty and the opportunity for creative expression. The pen's appeal is not limited by gender or age, making it a versatile choice for a wide range of recipients. Despite its many strengths, the pen is not without its drawbacks. Some users note that the pen can be distracting if used in quiet environments, as the clicking and snapping of magnetic pieces may draw attention. Others mention that small parts could pose a choking hazard for very young children, so supervision is recommended for younger users. A few reviewers have experienced issues with the pen's ink running out quickly or the stylus tips wearing down with heavy use, but these concerns are relatively minor compared to the overall positive feedback. The pen's ranking in the toys and games category, and specifically among magnet toys, reflects its popularity and customer satisfaction. With an average rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars from over 130 ratings, the pen is well regarded for its quality, functionality, and entertainment value. Users appreciate the manufacturer's responsiveness to questions and concerns, with reports of quick and helpful customer service. In summary, the Magnetic Fidget Pen by Fidget is a standout product that successfully merges creativity, stress relief, and practicality. Its magnetic design encourages endless play, while its sturdy metal construction ensures durability. The pen's dual function as a writing instrument and a fidget toy makes it a valuable addition to any desk or backpack. It is highly recommended as a gift for teens, adults, and anyone who enjoys unique gadgets. The product's versatility, build quality, and user satisfaction make it a must-have for those seeking a fun and functional desk accessory. If you have experience with this magnetic fidget pen, please share your thoughts in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Remember, the link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel and helps us continue to bring you detailed product reviews. Based on extensive user feedback, the Magnetic Fidget Pen stands out as a creative, practical, and enjoyable gadget that appeals to a wide audience. Its combination of strong magnets, quality materials, and versatile functionality ensures that it will remain a favorite among fidgeters, students, professionals, and gift givers alike. Whether you are looking for a stress relief toy, a unique gift, or a new addition to your desk setup, this pen delivers on all fronts. Its popularity and positive reviews are a testament to its value and appeal. For those seeking a gadget that combines fun, function, and creativity, the Magnetic Fidget Pen is an excellent choice. Don't forget to leave your own review if you have tried this product, and check the description for the purchase link. Your feedback helps the community and supports the channel.